Ever dreamed of a career where you can make a real difference on the global stage? Then a Bachelor in International Relations and Diplomacy is for you. We get the incredible opportunity to work directly with leading global companies, approaching real-world issues in international politics, diplomacy, and even media relations. This hands-on approach gives you a head start in your career, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios. Speaking of opportunities, Schiller offers something truly special: dual degrees. Imagine graduating with a globally recognized degree in both Europe and the US. It's a powerful advantage to set you apart from the competition. Schiller's innovative learning model is another major advantage. This system isn't just about academics, though. With the remaining time, you have the freedom to explore the vibrant cities you call home during your studies. From company visits and lectures by industry experts, there's always something happening at Schiller. Are you ready to launch a career that you can take anywhere in the world? Join us at Schiller International University and turn your passion for international relations into a reality.